What is going on, beautiful people? Happy Saturday on my side of the world. Today I'm at an open house and it's a little slow, and I decided to take the time to talk about a few important subjects about purchasing a home. Specifically, let's talk about some things such as a down payment, earnest money deposit, contingencies, and things like that. Let's get going. Alright guys, let's talk about one of the most important subjects, in my opinion, about purchasing a home, and that is the down payment. That's one of the biggest questions that I get asked when purchasing a house. How much money do I have to put down to purchase a house? There is a misconception out there. A lot of people believe still that you do need to put 20% down, and that's the only option in order to purchase a house. If you think about it, 20% down is a whole lot of money, especially in our price points out here in San Diego, where I'm from. Yes, it is favorable to put 20% down, but for a lot of people that can be almost impossible. Well, not impossible, but it will take a long time to save up 20% down. So let's talk about different products and different down payments. So let's talk about some options other than the 20% down. And yes, it is favorable to put 20% down, because if you do put 20% down, you don't have to pay for private mortgage insurance or mortgage insurance premium if it's a government loan such as an FHA loan. But that's a good segue to talk about an FHA loan. An FHA loan only requires 3.5% money down to purchase your property. So that's 3.5%. You do have to pay mortgage insurance on a 3.5 down loan program, but that's okay, right? Once you guys get to a certain point, you guys can drop off that mortgage insurance and you guys can go on with your loan. Let's talk about conventional. A lot of people believe that in order to get into a conventional loan, you do need to put 20% down, and again, that's a misconception. There are programs out there that you can start and purchase a property with only 1% down. That's right, just 1% down. There's also programs with 3%, and there's also programs with 5%. And again, this all depends on the purchasing price. And of course, there's always going to be different variables, right, with your loan product that will help you dictate how much money you will put down. So just to make this short, an FHA loan only requires 3.5% money down, right? And then this is a quick video just to kind of change up the misconception out there that you need 20% down to purchase a property. And again, yes, that is the absolute best scenario, to put 20% down, don't get me wrong. But again, there are options to purchase a property without having to put down 20%. That's huge. It's a huge down payment. So again, FHA, 3.5%. Let me move over here because the lighting's better. 3.5%. Conventional, no, it's not 20%. You do have the ability to purchase with 1%, 3. And then we can start talking about grant programs that are out there also that do help you purchase a property with zero money down. Now again, there's different variables depending on your credit score, for example, where you work, the income that you make, and things like that. There's a ton of different variables that will dictate how much money you should put down. And it's always good to consult with a professional. I'm always here for you guys. If you have any questions, I'll help you decide. Yeah, but in short, that's the down payment talk. Quick, short down payment talk for today. Not to mention for our military and our active members of our armed forces. Thank you guys very much for serving here in San Diego. We're a huge military town, and we don't take your service lightly. Thank you so much for serving. For you guys out there, you do have what is called a VA home loan benefit. To me, it's one of the best benefits out there, one of the best loan programs out there. You don't pay mortgage insurance, you don't have to put a down payment, and yes, there is a funding fee if it's your first time using it. It's 2.15%. If it's your second time using it, it'll be 3.3%. But if you are 10% disabled or more, you don't have to pay for that funding fee. In my opinion, the VA loan is an amazing benefit for you guys that are active members of the military or that have served. I truly hope this video helps you guys decide, or at least know a little bit more about what a down payment is and how much is actually required. And hopefully, if you were one of those people that were thinking that you can only purchase a house with 20% down, then hopefully this video helps out. And if you guys have any questions, as always, I'm here to help you guys out. Hit me with a comment, like, share. All the best, guys. Take care.